Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to show you a traffic source where over 2 million monthly visitors can see your websites or blogs or affiliated products or YouTube channels or anything. So today we are disclosing one of the best organic traffic source, so you can easily get visits on your affiliated product links or your website or YouTube channel or anywhere. So without delay, let us directly jump to this source. So page name is Hub Pages, or I could say the traffic source name is Hub Pages. So once you search hub pages in the Google, so you will find two different options in search number 1 and search number 2. So first one is discover.hubpages.com and second option you will find is hubpages.com. So don't get confused because both of the options are same. These are the two different options for the two different pages. So you can go with any of their options. So let me click on this option and let me open. So now let me introduce what is Hub Page. So Hub Page is basically a platform for bloggers where bloggers can post their blogs and people across the world are posting their blogs on this platform. Now you will get two benefits if you are having your blogs or if you are having your affiliated products if you use this platform. First of all, this is purely a free platform. You won't need to invest anything to use this platform. Second, if you are having some quality articles or blogs, so here, as I mentioned, you can get over 2 million organic traffic across the world. So let me show you the traffic source. So let us go to hubpages.com and if we click on the similar web, so I am sure you must be aware about the similar web. Similar web shows the different traffic sources for the particular website. So if we open traffic source for similar for these hub pages, then you can see over 2 million monthly visitors are visiting these hub pages in a month across the globe. And now, if we show the monthly users from I could say different countries, then you can see around 42% of the people who are belong to United States are coming as a traffic source on this platform. Then again 7% from UK, 6% from India, 5% from Canada, and rest of the percent are from some other countries. So you can see around 60% of the traffic comes from United States, UK, India, and Canada. So you can, in other word, you can publish your articles for different quality peoples from these four countries because 60% of the audience are belong to these four countries. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can earn in two different ways. First one, as I mentioned, HubPage is a platform where you can post your blog and along with that you can post your affiliated links. So it is very obvious people who are visiting your blogs, they will come to your affiliated links and they will come across your products. And if they found suitable your products for their needs, then of course they buy from your affiliated links. So first of all, you will generate income by posting your affiliated links along with your blog. And second, these platform or I could say hub pages also provides or I could say also share some of their revenue to their users or I could say bloggers. Let us say you have posted some blogs and you have received let us say 10,000 visitors in a month, as hub pages are showing some ads through some Google ads or through some different ad platforms, so they are generating some revenue from those ads. So they are also sharing some of the revenue parts from their uh, revenue. So, whatever revenue they are generating, you will get some portion of the revenue by posting your blogs. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Now, coming to the another part, how you can post your blog. So, here you can click on the main pages. When you click on the main pages, which is hubpages.com, then you will find one sign up option. And sign up option is very easy and self explanatory. So I am not wasting much of your time. Once you sign up with your email ID and all, it will redirect you to this login page. When you come to this login page, you can upload your profile picture, then you can say something about yourself, and straight away you can publish your first article. So here, when you click on this start a new article, then you will find first option as a title where permalink is there. So here you need to put a catchy title for your blog, because as this website mentioned over there, good titles tell readers about the article is all about. So if you put some good and catchy titles, then of course it will attract more readers, and it will give you more revenue in terms of by more clicks, and in terms of by more visit to your affiliated link and selling of more products. So you can put any catchy titles over there, and after that you need to click on this option, like your blog is about what, about which category. Let us say it is for auto, fashion, entertainment, health, pets. So select your appropriate category, and let us say I am selecting entertainment. So you can select entertainment as your main category, and you can, if you want, then you can select your subcategory, like in under entertainment your blog is about celebrities or movies or music, whatever. So you can choose your appropriate subcategory. Now here you can see two different layout options. One is basic and one is second one is tutorial. So you can simply click on this and you can click on continue, because basic layout is the most suitable one for the first time users who are coming to this platform. Now once you click on this, you will get, just a minute, let me show you the exact. Let me select one appropriate title. Let us say my blog is about music. So let me put a one title for an example. Then see, I am just giving you an example, so it will be easier for you to understand. So once you put your catchy title over there and click on the continue, then it will redirect you the main page where you need to put your blog. So let us say your blog is about some health. Here I have select music. So I need to put some of the articles about the music in this tab. So if you are already having some articles in your blog account or your website, you can simply copy and paste those articles under this tab, and make sure your article should have minimum 700 words. So don't write too short articles. Correct? Then here you will see the another like very useful things. If you are related into the blogs, you can post your videos which are related to your blogs, or photos, or even you can attach some polls, table, map, quiz, coding, rating. And yeah, here is the another important part. The persons who are having into affiliated products, those they can directly or indirectly put their affiliated links. Directly means If you are, let us say, clickbank having clickbank affiliated link, then you can straight away put the clickbank affiliated link over there, or else you can post your main blog link where your clickbank details are mentioned over there, so it will redirect them to that clickbank product. So here one separate option is already provided for the bloggers who are having their main blog link or any of the link affiliated product link. Apart from that, you can choose any of the Amazon products for the promotion if you are having a blog on Amazon or like that. And then after completing all of the details, you can select disclaimer if you are if you want to like put some disclaimer with your blog. So here they have provided some of the options, and if your blog is copyrighted, then you can also select one copyrighted options over there, and then simply go and publish this blog. That's it. So now your blog is alive and it will be among over 2 million monthly users across the world. And again, I am repeating that one source of income is by these hub pages only. Higher the clicks you will receive from the people, the hub pages will pay you some part of their revenue from their pocket. And another thing, as you are having some affiliated links in your blog, so when people will click on that, and if they found your product suitable for themselves, they will buy from your affiliated product, and you will generate some additional revenue. So let me give you one example, or I could say actual example, how one can generate some revenue. So as I mentioned, this hub page is having monthly average 2 million visitors. So let us assume out of 2 million, your blog is receiving just 0.1% of the traffic. So let us say out of 2 million, only 2,000 people are visiting your blog. So already you are getting 2,000 click in your one blog, correct? So you will get some X amount from hub pages for this 2,000 clicks. And let us say out of 2,000, only 1% of the people are buying to your affiliated product. So, in other words, out of 2 million people, only 20 people buy some products from your affiliated links. Then, your one blog can generate 20 sales, correct? Let us say your average commission per product is, let us say, $50. So these 20 people can give you $1,000 revenue in a month. And let us say you are posting one quality blog in 1 week. So in a month, you are posting four blogs. So as I mentioned, one blog can give you $1,000 in a week. So your four blogs can give you $4,000 revenue in a week. So if you are continuously putting your efforts and make your blog quality contents, then of course you can get far better income, which I have showed in this example. And if we go to the main page, now let me show you the main page. So you will find plenty of good blogs over there. Let me open the main page. This is their main page. See, so as I mentioned, you need to put some catchy image and some catchy headline. So of course, people will attract by seeing your image and headline, and of course, you will get your traffic or your targeted audience, and you will generate some sales. So I hope you like one of the way for traffic generation. And in my upcoming video, I do have plenty of ways to generate online income, and you can promote your blogs or affiliated products and generate revenue. So I will explain one by one. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel and you like this video. Thank you.